Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to pair your Garmin Vivomove Sport. First, unbox your new device and connect it to the charging cable. Allow it to fully charge, which typically takes about 2 hours. While it's charging, download the free Garmin Connect app from your phone's app store. Make sure your smartphone's Bluetooth is turned on, as this is essential for the connection process. These initial steps ensure a smooth and successful pairing experience. Once your Vivomove Sport is charged, power it on by pressing and holding the screen for a few seconds. For a brand new watch, it will automatically enter pairing mode, displaying a phone icon. If you've already used your watch and need to repair, simply swipe to access the menu, then tap the gear icon for settings. From there, select the phone icon to initiate pairing mode. Your watch is now ready to connect. Now open the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, otherwise log in. From the app's main menu, navigate to Garmin Devices and then select Add Device. The app will begin searching for nearby devices. When Vivomove Sport appears, tap on it. A 6-digit pairing code will display on both your watch and phone. Confirm these codes match to proceed with the connection. After confirming the pairing code, follow the remaining on-screen prompts within the Garmin Connect app to finalize your personal profile and settings. This includes details like your height, weight, and activity goals. Your Vivomove Sport will then begin its initial data sync, which might take a few minutes. Once complete, you can explore the app to customize watch faces, manage notifications, and track your daily activities. Enjoy your new connected experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.